Okay, so we've got Death Runes 304. So its current price is 302. My ideal price will be 302 times 0.25. So take off about 7 off the price. So that'll be 295. Okay, so I'll do 17 divided by 295. Okay, so say 60k. I'll get 60k. I'll do. Let's look at my next one. Now I'm doing this live. I've never traded these items before, so it's not rehearsed. New logs, 300 million traded in the last month. Looks like there was a little bit, but it's even here. I mean, that's not a very big variation for a technical trade. Here you might have said, oh yeah, it looks like it's starting to go technical, but it's really flattened out. So that means that people are trading already in this item. So let's go. So market price 411. That was U, wasn't it? U logs. Just a reminder, these particular items, if you're watching this video, it probably means that a whole stack of other people have watched this same video, so you may want to try and find your own items off that list. I noticed with the glories that there seems to be a lot of people trading glories now, and it's a little bit harder to make money out of it. So okay, we've got 411. Pull up my calculator. 411 times 0. You can't quite see that. So pull about 10 off the price. So 401. And so 42k I'll get. There we go. Now why is it that you can comfortably buy and sell a little bit below and a little bit above? Well, the thing is, when you have a lot of people trading items, people behave 100% predictably. You can guarantee that some people will always buy high and sell low because they just want to get rid of their stock. They just want to get rid of their death runes, or they just want to finish whatever it is, so they're willing to pay more. That's just the nature of people, and when you have a large group of people, their behavior is 100% predictable. So therefore, when we see the large volumes of trades, we know that people are going to trade in these things predictably. When there's a difference between the supply and demand, when there's more supply and less demand, or more demand and less supply, either way, that's when we start technically trading. So what I'm looking to do is to have 80% of my trades fundamental and 20% of my trades technical. Blood rune. Okay, here we go. Now if you look at this blood rune graph and go, oh look, there's a sell. But look at the variation. I mean, it's, yeah, there's a sell signal there technically, but it's really a fundamental trade, that this one. So it's flat. Like you look at the graph, it's really flat. Okay, so we've got a market price 290. So here we go. 290 times 0.025 equals 7. So take 290 less 7. $290 less 7 is 283. And 17. Okay, so we're going to buy 60k. Okay, so I've got 17 mil left, which is for my technical trading, and I've set up 4 items as fundamental trades. So I'm going to leave that out because I don't want to confuse you know, what we're doing there, and that'll do. Okay, so let's just run through that again. Fundamental trading, we're looking for flat graphs, preferably with things that are consumed in the game. You can see all of these items that I've put up have just consumed by players in the game, and the best way to find these items is off the most the most frequently traded, the top 100. Let's see what they call it. Okay, yeah, top 100 most traded items. That's the best place to find the fundamental trades.